got everything working pretty good. Daytime changes to blue when the lights come on. Parking brake indicator, high beam. Gotta love this thing. It's fun. Also added a sniper shift light to fill the holes that I had in the dash from the big old school Monster Tack. Need to do some programming, change the dash layout around a little bit.